The supercar show with my H2, I've been seeing a lot of comments about a certain car that technically, supposedly could beat my bikes. And the funny part is that I was seeing all these comments and I'm like, that is the car that I actually have.
Oh my god, this is insane.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video for you guys. Sorry for the late upload today. I had a pretty busy weekend. I was at Heart Summer, which is like a small festival. It's kind of like Coachella, but on a smaller level. Let me know if you guys want to see like more vlogging type of videos, lifestyle, whatever I do on kind of like weekly, daily basis, you know what I mean? I know some people commented they want to see like more vlogs, stuff like that, but I kind of want to keep the channel more motovlogging content because that's what I mainly do, but you know, I can throw a few vlogs here and there every once in a while. So let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see that. Today's video is gonna be actually revealing my new car and talking about my old car. So if you guys, for those of you that don't know, I had a Dodge Challenger Hellcat that was supposedly my daily car, and I've talked about me getting rid of it in the last few videos I made with the Hellcat. And the reason for that mainly is because the Hellcat, the Challenger Hellcat, is pretty much a performance vehicle. Like, it's all built for performance, you know. It's not like the best daily. It's pretty comfortable, but it's not like the best daily, especially because I have these bikes. Those are like the actual performing vehicles, you know what I mean? I thought by getting the Hellcat that I'm gonna have like similar fun, but to be honest, I'm a bike type of person and the Hellcat was definitely not nearly as fun as the bikes. So that's why I was like, kind of, what's the point of having it if I found it kind of like pointless? Like, every time I would go on a ride, even on the R1M, which is not nearly as fast as the H2, I would pretty much like go on a ride and like later that night or whatever, go in the car, I'm like, this feels really slow. So I'm like, kind of, what's the point of that? Maintenance on that car is really expensive, as I mentioned in one of the videos, and I live in California and gas prices are almost $5 a gallon right now, so it's like about $80–90 for a tank, which I have to fill up almost every 2 days. So if you do the math, let's just say I fill up 3 times a week, so less than average, that's about, let's just say $200 a week, kind of rounded down. That's $800 a month just in gas for the Hellcat. So it just doesn't make sense to me, you know. It wasn't giving me enough fun or thrill, and it was like money that I'm spending that is not worth it, because I can have so much more fun with the bikes, riding the bikes with pretty much way less money to spend. And if it just wasn't a good daily car, so I got rid of that car, sold it. I'm definitely gonna miss it. It was an amazing car, had my fun with it, but I'm gonna be revealing my new vehicle. And I know you guys are bummed. You guys want me to get another V4, another motorcycle, but I do need a daily car. I can't just ride the bikes everywhere. I've done that before, actually, like 2 or 3 years ago when I first, like my first 2 years of riding, I would ride my bike everywhere. I put like 10,000 miles on my ZX6R in like about half a year or so, maybe a little more than half a year. But yeah, I rode that bike everywhere, and like, I had a lot of fun. But to be honest, you know, if you want to go grocery shopping, if you want to go out like somewhere chill, like go for dinner, whatever it is, like, I can't just keep riding bikes everywhere. So I had to get a daily car. Some of you are gonna love it, because I've been seeing a lot in the supercar show with my H2. I've been seeing a lot of comments about a certain car that technically, supposedly could beat my bikes. And the funny part is that I was seeing all these comments and I'm like, that is the car that I actually have. So we're gonna actually be putting that car to the test against the bikes. It's not a slow car by any means, but let's keep it a surprise. I'm gonna go take the car for a drive and reveal it somewhere like nicer, not in my garage. So it's definitely faster than you guys would expect. It's not a supercar, I'm just saying. It's nothing too crazy, but it's kind of like one of those fun cars, and you guys will understand what I mean. I am back. For you guys, probably looks like I never left, but I drove to a cool spot, cool sunset right now, and we're gonna film the reveal of the car. As I said, you guys might not like it as much, but trust me, it's a crazy car that is gonna, I mean, it majorly grew on me. I wanted it as a daily, but now I love it, and I kind of want to get like the better car and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let me show you guys the car. And wait, guess in the comments what car it is before. Don't cheat, okay? And 3, 2, 1. It's a Tesla Model 3. I got the top Tesla Model 3, which is the performance. I didn't want something that is slow, so I got something that is fast. White interior, as you guys see, white on white, because I want to add some carbon fiber in the future, exterior wise. So I wanted to get the white interior, white exterior, because it's gonna, you know, make the carbon fiber pop a little bit more. Barely made it. Sun is just now setting, and let me show you real quick, just real quick, why I got this car. You guys ready? Because I'm not. Okay. Okay. Let me tell you guys, I ordered this car before even test driving it. It's a 2021 Tesla Model 3 Performance, brand new. Ordered it through Tesla. Had to wait. Actually, they were really fast. It was such a good experience. I had to wait, I would say, about like a month for it, which is not bad at all. Usually you wait like 2 months. I honestly waited like 3 weeks, probably less than a month. They found one and they shipped it from somewhere. Apparently, I think someone like ordered in, then he canceled his order, because if you guys don't know, it's only $100 deposit to place the order, and you can back out and they just charge you the 100. So somebody probably like bailed on that, and then it was the similar spec. And because the performance one comes with all the upgrades, as I showed you guys in the little preview of the car, it comes with a 20-inch crazy windmill looking wheels. It comes with a carbon fiber spoiler, obviously like the power. It's a longer range than the standard. I wanted a great daily that is also exciting. The Hellcat had no 0 to 60 whatsoever, because all it does is spins and it's all crazy. And if you put drag radials, and like those tires pretty much don't last at all, or they're not like, nobody should just use full-on drag radials on the street, and that's mainly what I drove the Hellcat, so I didn't want to do that. And I actually ordered this car, and then I happened to test drive it like a few days before picking up my car, a different car, and I was like, whoa, like I just wanted this car as a daily, and I knew like I got the performance because I knew it's going to be a little more fun too. And let's just say like I was really impressed. Like it might not look like much, but here, let me slow down a little bit. I'll do like a 45 pull for you. So most like what, drag racing, or not roll racing, I mean, people like start from about 40, 45. So let me show you right now. We'll do like 40 pull. Currently at 40, 39, and you guys see how fast that speed is climbing, right? In like a couple seconds, and went to like 80 or 85. Like it is ridiculously fast. I'm literally not over exaggerating. I'm gonna put a little clip of my girlfriend when the first time ever her like kind of her reaction to the car, because she did not realize how fast it is. Ready?
No. Fuck, oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane. It's literally a roller coaster. For
reference, 0 to 60 is about 3.1. That's what they say, but tested apparently it's like 3.2. I'm gonna buy a drag and do a proper test. But so yeah, they claim 3.1, tested on the streets. I've seen it multiple times. It's 3.2. The car produces 23 wheel horsepower, as people have tested on the dyno, which is really fast, because it's at like it's an electric car, so the torque is like instant. It's at 0 RPM, so feeling that much power all-wheel drive is like intense. I'm not gonna lie, after like probably 90-100 miles an hour, the car does die down a lot speed wise. It's not like a top-end type of car, but no car besides like an insane hypercars are in the millions of dollars are going to be as fast as bikes. And honestly, I can bet you I can beat most hypercars in my H2, if not all of them. Definitely the car is amazing, and it totally made sense because I have the bikes for, you know, the noise and the loud exhaust and all that fun stuff, and you know, the top end speed and the crazy shenanigans that I do pretty much. So I wanted a good daily car that is also exciting but in a different way, and this car does it just perfectly with that like torque and all that craziness. Hope you guys enjoy this content. I hope some of you are excited for Tesla content, because so most bikes actual 0-60 is about 3 seconds, which is like, you know, some bike like the H2 says it's like 2.7 after modify, it's like 2.4, but like that's assuming you can launch that bike. You know, bikes are way harder to launch than cars, so it's gonna be really exciting doing some 0-60 pulls and like even races to like 100. Like this car is gonna do really well, and there's no doubt about that, and it's gonna be really exciting. I'm sorry if it's dark. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's not too disappointing. Trust me guys, these Teslas are not overhyped. Like, you know me, I had a Hellcat and I have like crazy bikes, and this car is like really thrilling, really fun. The technology is amazing, but I'm gonna save all that for a different video. This is just like a reveal type of video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for the support so much. You guys have been amazing, and I'll catch you guys soon. And also I want to talk about me expanding kind of YouTube. I know you guys don't like the car content, but I am trying to do like a little bit of car stuff, mainly bike stuff. The channel is mainly going to be bikes all the time, but I do want to expand. I want to do a little more car content, a little more vlogging maybe here and there. So as I said before, let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see that, or if you want strictly bikes. So I hope you all have an amazing day, week, whatever it is, and if you do ride bikes, ride safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.